sunglasses. They came in this nice velvet packaging, and it didn't come with the box, which is kind of okay with me, but I really like boxes. I just collect my boxes. I keep all my boxes stashed away. I hate people who keep their like shoes just loose and sitting out. I think that's very tacky. I keep everything in a box if it has a box. But so yeah, they come in this box, and you just flip it open, and here there's like this Gucci kind of velvetish thing right here. I don't know how to describe it. And on the inside, it says Hollywood Forever Collection. So that's pretty dope. And it also comes with this. This is just to wipe the sunglasses, obviously, a nice little Gucci handkerchief, I'll call it. I'm not really sure. And it also comes with this. So it comes with a nice little note card for the authentication, and I'll open it for you and show it. Okay, so it comes with this keyring eyewear thing. I think this is the place that it came from, so I don't think this is from Gucci. So we'll throw that to the side for now. But in here, it is like a Gucci authentication card. So basically a certificate of authenticity, and it just says like model, style, but it doesn't have anything important on it. And I'm sure you guys want to see the sunglasses, so I'll open the sunglasses right now. All right, so here they are, the Gucci Fall into 2018 Crystal Acetate sunglasses. So I really like these sunglasses a lot. These retail for, I think, $1,450, but I got them from Farfetch for like $1,080. So I feel like it was a good deal. But these have Gucci in the corner right here, right there, and they're basically have iridescent crystals with little gold pearls all over them. So these are iridescent, meaning that they shine every other color. They're not like clear crystals. Clear crystals only shine a few colors. And they have a black tint on the shades, so you can't really see them. They remind me, here you can see like the shine of the crystals, but they remind me of like maybe they remind me of like a futuristic kind of sunglass. It's hard to kind of describe them. I can't find the word I'm looking for. Maybe like Matrix, yeah, definitely the Matrix. And they have the GG logo on the sides, and the crystals form a little arrow through the tips, and it ends off with kind of a big thing over the ear. And it's a brown acetate. So brown acetate is when there's like shades or hints of brown on the glasses. I'm not sure if it's on the front because you can barely see it on the front due to the crystals and all of the detailing, but it's definitely on the inside and on the side. So I'm guessing it is all over the sunglasses. You can just barely see them because of the crystals. So like, I'm gonna focus in. Like you don't see, well, I see a little hint of brown right there, but from far out, you really can't tell. So that's cool. But I love these glasses. I haven't even worn them yet. I just really unboxed them, and I like them a lot. I feel like they're definitely a little pricey, but I feel like they'll last forever. You know, it feels really sturdy, like the glasses don't feel loose. However, when I put them on, they do feel a little tight on my face. Like I have to like open these a little bit more, so I'm kind of worried about that. But I feel like it'll be an easy fix. And these glasses were made in Italy. Well, this is just like the code number on the side, so that's not important, but these glasses were definitely made in Italy. It has the Gucci made in Italy right there, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, it's not really too much to say about these shades. I just know I'm about to rock them off a crazy fit, and it's just about to look so fire. Like, these are gonna be so fucking brazy. I cannot wait to wear them. So yeah. All right, so here the glasses are with the flash on, and as you can see, they're like very, very, very sparkly. Like this kind of lighting that I'm in, it doesn't give the glasses justice. I feel like they'll be very sparkly in the sunlight, or like kind of anywhere in like an inside closed place with a lot of lighting. But yeah, I feel like these match my bodysuit and they match my headpiece. So I just can't wait to wear them. Like, it's gonna be so fire wearing these. Alright, I hope you guys liked the video. If you want to see them on me, you can definitely follow me on Instagram at SirDebonair. This will also be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And new videos every 2 weeks, so if you like me, subscribe.